Hello everybody, how are you? What are you doing? Let's study together with me, still book 2, unit 10, page 120. Conversation, percakapan. Were you at home yesterday afternoon, John? Apakah kamu berada di rumah kemarin sore, John? Yes, I was, yeah. I was at home all day yesterday. Saya berada di rumah sepanjang hari kemarin. What were you doing yesterday? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin? I was reading letter most of the day. Saya sedang menulis surat sepanjang hari. Did you see Mr. Green yesterday? Apakah kamu melihat Tuan Green kemarin? Yes, I saw him. Ya, saya melihat dia. I saw him last night at the university. Saya melihat dia di universitas tadi malam. What was he doing when you saw him? Apa yang dia lakukan ketika kamu melihatnya? When I saw him, he was talking with Mr. Sullivan. Ketika saya melihatnya, dia sedang berbicara dengan Tuan Sullivan. What were you doing when I called you by phone last night? Apa yang kamu lakukan ketika saya menelponmu tadi malam? When you call me, I was just leaving the house. Ketika kamu menelpon saya baru saja meninggalkan rumah. Where were you going when I call you? Kamu pergi kemana ketika saya menelponmu? When you call, ketika kamu menelpon, I was going out to the movies. Saya sedang pergi ke bioskop. While you were at the movies last night, ketika kamu di bioskop tadi malam, I was walking. Saya sedang bekerja. Did you work hard? Apakah kamu bekerja keras? Yes, I did. Yeah. I work until nearly midnight. Saya bekerja sampai hampir tengah malam. What did John say he was doing last night? Apa yang dikatakan John? Apa yang dikatakan John yang dia lakukan tadi malam? While you were at the movies, ketika kamu berada di bioskop, John was writing letter. John sedang menulis surat. I haven't seen John today. Saya tidak melihat John hari ini. Where is he? Di mana dia? Were you at the doctor office yesterday? Apakah kamu di kantor dokter kemarin? Yes, I was. I went to his office at about 4 o'clock. Saya pergi ke kantornya sekitar jam 4. Did you see Dr. Rice? Apakah kamu melihat Dr. Rice? Yes, I did. What were you doing yesterday at 4 o'clock? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin sore? Apa yang kamu lakukan kemarin pada jam 4? While you were at the doctor office, ketika kamu berada di kantor dokter, I was writing letter. Saya sedang menulis surat. Who are you writing letter to? Kamu menulis surat untuk siapa? I was writing to a friend of mine in New York. Saya menulis untuk teman saya yang berada di New York. I have to write some letter too. Saya harus menulis beberapa surat juga. Okay, I think enough for today. Thank you for watching. Good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye. Thank you.